What if the smartest financial advisor in the world lived right inside your pocket, for free? In 2026, managing money isn't about staring at complicated stock charts anymore. It's about leveraging artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting for you. Today, we're looking at 3 revolutionary ways you can use AI to automate your savings, optimize your investments, and build long-term wealth without lifting a finger. Welcome back to Wealth Wisdom AI. First up, let's talk about automated micro-savings. Traditional budgeting is tedious, and honestly, most people give up after a week. But next-gen AI financial tools analyze your daily spending patterns in real time. They look at your bills, your groceries, and your subscriptions, and automatically find hidden gaps where you can save $5, $10, or $20 a day. It rounds up your transactions and sweeps that spare change into high-yield accounts, building a cash reserve before you even realize it's gone. The second step to true wealth wisdom is automated investing. USA investors are shifting heavily toward AI-powered robo-advisors. Instead of paying heavy fees to traditional wealth managers, smart algorithms now manage your index funds and ETFs based on your personal risk tolerance. If the market shifts, the AI automatically rebalances your portfolio to protect your gains and buy the dips. It's the ultimate set-and-forget strategy for wealth building. Finally, you can use advanced AI models as your personal research assistant. You can prompt AI tools to scan quarterly earnings reports, analyze global market sentiment, or summarize complex financial news in seconds. By asking the right questions, you can uncover undervalued sectors or emerging tech trends before they go mainstream. It gives everyday investors the data power that used to belong only to Wall Street insiders. The future of finance is automated, and the tools are already in your hands. Are you letting AI manage your money yet? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and master your financial future, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is Wealth Wisdom AI, smart wealth made simple. See you next time.